And look at the notching tags, and they're gonna catch huge trout. That's a beautiful fish!
That's a beautiful fish! Tie that hook so it's facing up like that.
Let me pick it up.
We'll throw that on top here like this. Okay, so what River is saying is true. We did go fishing in Rufus Woods, and they did actually plant 20 to 25,000 like 2 to 3 pound fish out there, trout. So fishing's pretty good.
We're gonna notching crabs. We're gonna get huge fishing notching crabs.
Okay, that was pretty good. Well, you gotta say welcome to notching tags. And then keep going. Okay, ready? Go.
Welcome to notching tags.
That's right, perfect.
Now
And today we're gonna catch huge trout.
And look at the notching tags, and they're gonna catch huge trout.
Perfect. You wanna say it, Riv?
Welcome to today. We're gonna catch huge trout and watching tags.
Watching tags. Started out as more of an adventure than we came out here for. Right away, right off the bat, dead battery in the boat. I don't know, something got left on, I guess. Luckily our jumper cables were long enough to reach the motor, and anyways, we got it started. We've been down here trolling, pulling flicker shads, and we have one mag lip and tipped with a worm. We did one pass by the net pins here, and nothing. I really thought we would have caught a fish by now. We'll check back in when we catch a fish. Reel it up. Let me get the net. Where's the net? Oh my gosh. Keep reeling it in. There it is. You see it? Bring it up. Bring it in, Riv. Bring it to me, Riv. Bring it over here, River. Oh my gosh. Hey!
That's a beautiful. Can we keep
Look
that?
at that. Heck yeah, we can keep
That's
it.
a beautiful fish.
That's a beautiful fish.
Can we take a picture? Yay! I never caught a fish that big before. Is this me? Is this me? Is this really me?
Look at what, River?
Is this me? Is this really me?
Okay.
Whoa.
Here.
Wow.
Here, let me get this hook out of here.
No, don't, Wilson.
Wilson's so sketched out. Oh my gosh. That's awesome.
That is cool.
All right, yeah. Put your finger in there.
Yeah?
Maybe
Put your
for
finger in
him
here
2
like this.
fingers.
Put 2 fingers in there. Okay, there you go. Now lift it up. There you go.
Woo!
Oh, check her out. Look at it's so dirty because the floor is dirty.
Oh my gosh, look at your pistachios.
Yeah, I mean.
Beautiful fish. This is beautiful, Mom. We need to put this in that. Nope. Let's put it somewhere.
Okay, hold that.
This is nice. This is nice, baby. That's a beautiful fish. Oh, I just hate it wiggling. Hurry up, Dad.
Well, I gotta get to this.
My finger!
Hold it.
My finger! Ow!
Okay.
My finger!
Here.
My
Come
finger!
on, Riv.
No, I can hold it.
Put it in there. There you go. There you
Whoa,
go.
my finger hurts!
Alright, turn this on again.
Nice! Yes!
You're gonna fill up with water, right?
That's gonna have a lot of it.
You're filling it up with water?
Nice!
Filling it
A
up.
lot of
Okay, cool.
Nice,
Alright.
Mom.
We took a long time to catch one fish, huh?
Nice!
Well, what we did here is we came into the inside of these net pins, and honestly we saw 3 other boats in here, so it was like, okay, we better go do it. Anyways, we caught a fish, huh?
And we made a hunt, and we made a fishing video.
We got a fishing video. Hey, let's catch another one. We're allowed to have 6. We can catch 2 each. Hold on to it good. Stay this way so we don't get tangled up in that other one.
Come over here, Riff.
Turn this way. Reel that thing up. Pretty heavy, huh?
It's gonna be a sharpie!
Here, I can grab it probably.
Here, just lift up. Lift.
A sharpie!
There it is.
Dad, can we keep that? Can we keep that one?
Yeah.
That's yeah!
Okay.
Okay.
All right, so we put a worm on this one, and
That was pretty quick.
Yeah, that happened quick. I'm thinking the worm might be the ticket.
Well, obviously what you used on the other one was not wrong.
No, it wasn't, but boy, this seemed like it sure worked.
Yay!
Oh, we lost our weight. That's too bad.
It's a fish, my knee. I hurt my...
He was there for quite a while before I finally got him hooked. Yeah, stick your fingers in there just like that.
Okay, look
Okay,
at
now
Mom.
show Mom that fish.
Woo!
Here, turn it this way so she can see it sideways.
Woo!
There you go. Okay, now go ahead. Let's go put it in that live well back there.
Riv, what do you think of my fish? That one's nice, baby.
That's a nice one.
Two fish.
All right, throw it in there. There he is.
Whoa!
Fish!
Whoa, they're going crazy.
Whoa, why is he upside down?
Fish!
There
Oh,
he
we gotta
goes.
close it. We gotta close it.
Took him a second to
Two
figure out what it was.
fish.
Now check this out. You see how the live well is spraying, looks like bubbles, but really it's water.
It's
How it
supposed
works
to
is-
pretend that it's a current, like?
Well, it's just always exchanging the water, so it's automatically on. It drains out of here slowly, and then eventually it pumps more water back
Is
in.
this another light
So it's
well?
always circulating the water.
Still?
Huh? No, that's the battery box. Okay, Riv. Or Rexy.
Hey!
Hey, high five. Nice. Hey. Hey, boys.
What?
That's what I call notching tags.
Yeah!
All right. Let's get a few more, huh? Over here to the back, to the side of the boat. Stay over here, yep. Pull it just like that. That way you can pull it right over to the net. And I can scoop them up. Okay, ready? Now lift, just lift your pole. Lift. There it is! Nice job! Nice
I'm
job!
not gonna hold it though, because it cut my finger.
Oh, come on now. Dang, he's strong, man. Slippery. Jeez.
I don't want to hold it.
Okay.
I can hold him, but I'm gonna throw
Where'd
it in
that
the
hook
water.
go?
No, let's just back it for
See.
a sec. Oh.
Did the hook come out right there?
Beautiful.
Oh yeah, the hook's down there.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay. Well, that's a
Okay.
nice
Here,
scenario.
lift this pole up and we'll throw this in the live well.
We caught 3 fish and
Yeah, we did, and this one was power bait again.
So it does work.
So, somebody make me a wad of power bait. Okay, so what we're doing to catch these fish might not be ideal, I guess, but we're using a drop shot method. And so the way you do it is you got to tie that hook so it's facing up. You tie that hook so it's facing up like that. And when you get a bite and you pull up, it's going to pull right up and hook them, okay? And then you have this drop shot weight right underneath, and so it sits on the bottom, and your bait, let's say my hand is the bottom, your bait is going to stay right up in the strike zone the whole time, right in front of the fish's face. So that's what we're doing to catch them. We're putting power bait on the hooks and actually worms, and both methods are working. But yeah, Riv, let me see that little wad of power bait there. Okay, go ahead and let's see.
So we're putting this bait on the hook,
Just like that, yeah.
and boom, ready for the fish.
That's right. And then I'll just give it a little bit of a
And then
Little
we
bit of
get
a
a little
kind of
squish.
squish on there so it doesn't come off. But
Yeah.
all right, that's
And
it.
eventually we'll catch the fish.
And then we'll toss that back behind the boat.
And then what do you have to say about catching your fish?
Well, on the YouTube channel, we're gonna catch some fish. We already caught some 3 fish, and we're about to catch some more. Well, if we catch 3, then it makes 4. If we catch another one, it will make 5. Then we'll go home and we'll eat them. Mostly, I think there's most meat and a lot of eggs. So mostly, it's gonna be correct and correct. You'll always want to catch this fish. Don't on the YouTube channels.
There it is.
Yeah! Dad,
right.
can we keep up?
Power bites, right? Yeah. Power bites, snakes again. Power bait, I mean. Oh no, we're getting tangled up here with our drop shot weight.
4 fish we caught! 4 fish! 4! And
Oh, you got it? Put them up in there deep.
Did I seriously just
Get
do
them in there
that?
deep.
uh-oh.
It's getting a little chaotic in here. Okay, so our drop shot weight just came off when we got all tangled up there. And the way these go on is, hold on buddy, the way these go on is you just go through here and then you just pull up and it wedges the line up in there. The idea is if your weight gets snagged, you can pull and just lose the weight and not the whole rig. I've been going through twice just because it seems like they come off kind of easy. And so going through, you probably can't see with my fingers in the way, but going through twice and just pulling up twice. So it's just wedged in there. Anyways, this drop shot method seems to be working. We've caught all of our fish on the drop shot so far. So, yep. All right, we need another wad of power bait, boys.
I'll do it. You already did it.
All right, you got a nice little ball?
Yeah. Sometimes you gotta laugh.
Okay.
Just like that, and boom, 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 boom. It's correct.
We're gonna have to work on that a little bit. Another fish on, huh, dudes?
Yes.
Here, let me do this first.
Okay, mom's netting.
Let me do something.
Wow, this is heavy.
That's a heavy one. Keep reeling, Riv.
Yes.
Oh wait, are you on the bottom?
Yeah.
Oh no, there was a fish on it.
Oh, really? Okay, somebody else reel it up.
Me. I'll reel it up. I'll reel it up. Next time.
Okay. Oh my goodness, it's a good one.
That's a good one.
Oh. Wow,
Good
that's a
job,
nice fish, guys. I think that's our limit right there.
That is all
I'm
it.
pretty sure. I think that's number 6.
That is number 6.
Can we all take a second and look at the interesting little spot he has right there?
Yeah, that's
Do you see that?
it's like an owie or something.
Ooh, little guy.
I'm gonna try and be brave here.
Oh man, what's all that going everywhere?
What's the orange?
Oh, here, look at that. He's hooked perfectly in the mouth.
But why does he have orange yellow in
I
him?
think it's the power bait all soggy. Not sure.
Because you've been using like pretty much orange power bait. Or sorry, green.
Oh, that's true. Oh, I bet it's the fish food from the. Here, yeah, just put that back in the rod holder and it's completely out of the way.
Like,
Here, I got this. That in the rod holder.
I think it's the fish food, yeah. Smells like
Yeah, I
cat
think it's
food,
that
kinda.
fish food. There we go.
6 fish.
I think so. 2,
3.
4.
Oh, there's 4, 5, 6. I think
yeah, I
it's
think there's 6. Yeah. Okay. There's our 6 fish for the day in the live well there. All right.
Look at me, Red.
Okay.
Can you just sit right here?
And look at the fish.
Yeah.
Or how was our first real fishing trip? Good?
Good.
Definitely first real one of the family.
These guys are tired. We've been out here a while. It's starting to get cold. How you doing down in there?
Look at this. I don't wish we're
Well, this
going
is
home.
notching tags, man. Our channel's notching tags.
Yeah, but they're good.
I know.
We're welcome to Notching Tags.
Yeah. There you go. Rex is staying warm down there. These guys are bundled up.
We're cuddling.
And we're headed for the launch.
baby, we got some fish. Which fish you like better? I got all the fish. No, you did not, Rex. Oh, you baby. You two guys, don't listen to Rex. We both caught fish. Whoa, one just fell on the ground.
Whoa, what do you mean?
Okay, let me pick it up. I just blowed on it. Don't worry, you can chill, guys.
Okay. He blew on the salmon that fell on the ground, so we're good. Okay, we got honey on those ones. All right, let me see that one. I got it. I'll throw that on top here like this.
How many fish did they put out in the lake?
They put 20,000 out there.
And he put 20,000 fish out in the lake for other people to catch because they thought we had too much fish. So he put 20 fish, 20,000 fish. Give it to me. In the lake.
Okay, so what River is saying is true. We did go fishing in Rufus Woods, and they did actually plant 20 to 25,000 like 2 to 3 pound fish out there, trout. So fishing's pretty good.
Yeah.
Now we need to get ready to go to school.
Hold on, guys. Sorry, you gotta shut the camera off. How do you shut the camera off? How do you shut the camera off? You push this button. Dad, how do you shut the camera off?
Yeah, that's it. You just push that button.